Hey, cyclists and commuters. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're unfolding the best foldable bikes of 2024. Get ready to discover the top picks that combine convenience, portability, and performance. Let's ride into the future of cycling. The Likebike Cityfun S folding electric bike is an impressive combination of power, portability, and performance, intended to meet the needs of both urban commuters and adventure seekers. Its powerful 500W motor and 48V 10.4 Ah battery make it ideal for daily commutes and weekend escapades. The bike's foldable form is especially useful for those with little storage space or who need to move their bike via public transportation. With a range of up to 60 miles on pedal assist mode and a top speed of 20 mph, the Cityfun S appeals to a wide spectrum of users, including eco-conscious commuters, outdoor enthusiasts, and anybody searching for a low-cost alternative to traditional automobiles. This e-bike is particularly appealing to city people who encounter urban transportation issues such as traffic congestion and parking shortages. The folding feature allows riders to quickly transport the bike into buses, trains, or even into their workplace, making it an adaptable solution for mixed-mode journeys. More importantly, the Cityfun S is suitable for pleasure riders who enjoy exploring various terrains, ranging from city streets to off-road tracks. Let's take a look at our second option on the list, the ZiZZO Campo 20-inch folding bike. This small miracle prioritizes ease without sacrificing performance. To begin with, the lightweight frame is a game changer. It folds in seconds and is incredibly portable, so you never have to worry about leaving it outside. Imagine getting off at your location, folding your bike, and carrying it effortlessly. There are no more huge, cumbersome bikes to deal with. Its 7-speed grip-style shifter is ideal for negotiating a variety of terrains, from city streets to hilly routes. It's smooth, efficient, and provides exactly the appropriate level of control. And with the easy folding, adjusting aluminum alloy stem, you can quickly and simply modify the handlebar height to suit your comfort, ensuring a perfect fit for each ride. The resin foldable pedals and larger comfy saddle were created with your comfort in mind. Plus, the magnet catcher maintains the folded frame securely together, making it easy to transport without any awkward fumbling. When folded, this bike measures 27 inches tall, 31 inches long, and 12.5 inches wide, and weighs only 31 pounds. Lightweight indeed. LECTRIC's XP 3.0 joins a growing category of folding e-bikes with small wheels and fat tires. This combination keeps the bike compact while providing ample stability and bump absorption. Such bikes are great for city commuters dealing with bumpy roads and limited storage space once they arrive at work. The XP 3.0 has plenty of power to get you there, yet it folds up rather tiny. But it's still an e-bike, so it's quite hefty. If you plan on taking something upstairs, it may not be the best option. The XP 3.0 has an aluminum frame and 20-inch wheels. The tires are 3 inches wide, allowing you to use lower tire pressures for more grip and comfort. And the front suspension fork adds comfort. However, LECTRIC's website does not specify how much travel the fork receives. Its disc brakes also behaved admirably. They modulate effectively and deliver lots of stopping power. At this price, having hydraulic disc brakes is a wonderful touch. So, if you're searching for a multi-purpose bike that won't take up much space in your apartment and has alternatives for baggage, or even a passenger, the XP 3.0 checks many boxes. The Brompton C Line 6 speed folding bike is next on our list, and it's a true jewel among folding bikes. Brompton's C Line. Explore model is all about versatility, style, and performance, making it ideal for any trip that comes your way. The C Line Explorer is ideal for folks who enjoy commuting, traveling, and running errands in luxury. Brompton bicycles are known for making every journey enjoyable, and this model is no exception. Its agility and power make every ride comfortable and pleasant. And with 6-speed gearing and powerful brakes, you can expect control and precision on each ride, regardless of the terrain. This combination ensures a pleasant and entertaining riding experience, whether you are navigating the city streets or exploring new paths. The lightweight frame contributes to its practicality, making it easy to transport. Each Brompton bike is coated with a durable powder coating and manufactured in their London facility, which uses over 90% sustainable energy. This not only ensures superior quality, but also demonstrates Brompton's dedication to sustainability. The C Line Explorer is more than simply a bicycle. It is your ticket to exciting experiences and new adventures. Let's go into our final pick, the ZiZZO Via 20 folding bike. This model prioritizes convenience, comfort, and quality, making it an excellent option for any rider. Beginning with a lightweight aluminum frame, the ZiZZO Via folds in seconds, making it exceptionally easy to transport and store. There's no need to leave it outside or worry about parking. It's always with you and ready for the next ride. With genuine Shimano components and a 7-speed grip-type shifter, this bike provides smooth and consistent gear changes suitable for various terrains. So whether you're commuting or enjoying a leisurely ride, you'll appreciate this setup's performance and dependability. Plus, the bike's convenience is enhanced with an easy-to-fold aluminum alloy stem and resin-folding pedals, and the wide, comfy saddle provides a pleasant ride, and the magnet catcher secures the folded frame, making it easy to transport. When folded, the ZiZZO Via measures 27 inches tall, 31 inches long, and 12.5 inches wide, weighing only 26.5 pounds. It is lightweight and compact, making it ideal for travelers. This bike's customizable characteristics are its main selling point. Also, here, its height-adjustable foldable aluminum alloy stem and rotating handlebar allow you to select the ideal hand position for maximum comfort during your ride. While its 7-speed Shimano Tournée derailleur, as well as the rust-resistant coated 7-speed cassette and chain, make for easy riding on roads and hills. That's all for now, folks. We hope you liked our video. It's also excellent to subscribe. So please click the bell icon, like, and subscribe to get updates on our most recent videos. Also, all product links are mentioned in the description box below. Do check it out. Thank you for watching.